Okay, so great. Venkat, Vamsi. Great. Let's start. Uh, Bata India. If we disconnect now, we'll try some other day. Yeah. I am not sure what was the problem. So, Ibrahim, I am not sure if you heard me earlier. I was checking Bata's financials. So, last quarter was not good for Bata. And this quarter, we need to check when is the earning. Earnings is on 1st of June, and I'm sure the earning will not be great, Ibrahim. So better to be cautious with Bata and put a strict stop loss of this top here, 1464. If you want to go little conservative, little, 1440 max. If the stock goes below 1440, uh, better to exit. Okay, great. I think people are here and they can hear me. Ultimate boxer, unboxer. Oh, perfect. So let's go to next talk. Prush granules. Granules was one of my favorites stocks a few years back. This is the daily chart of Granules Prush. It's it's not doing good since December 20. It's just consolidating downtrend, then trying to uptrend, but no strength. Your queries hold. Okay, 330 you have bought, so almost this price, same price, and hold or short कोई भी works. Okay, तो इसमें से यार निकल जाना चाहिए and find a better stock in pharma because the chart is not looking good on daily itself. Weekly is okay, not great. If you wish, you can put a 300 stop loss. अगर 300 के नीचे जाता है तो सॉरी 295 295 स्टॉप लॉस 295 के नीचे जाता है तो यू मस्ट एग्जिट देयर इज नो अदर ऑप्शन एंड लेट मी चेक ग्रैन्यूल्स financials. Yeah, so quarter was not good. Definite exit Prash. Find a new stock. Better. Pharma में बहुत options है. So let's go to next query. Vishal, RBL Bank. RBL Bank, Vishal is very interesting stock. RBL Bank, there is only one person I follow in stock market who I like. His name is Sanjay Bhasin. He's the only expert I like. So this guy is screaming to buy RBL Bank since many days, many weeks now. But I am not finding any reason why we should buy this bank. So he might be, of course, he's much more expert and experienced than all of us. But what I would suggest is, I'll tell you the reason why I don't like RBL Bank. I used to trade in RBL Bank a few years back. You see the bar here on monthly charts. In on July 1st, 2019, I mean July month basically. So July month, this stock fell down by 36%. Maybe some bad news or poor results. I don't remember now. But I'm a trader, so I don't look into what was the reason. I just follow my stop loss and get out of the trade. So I used to trade in futures, RBL Bank, and I was fortunate I didn't make any loss on this fall, but it was a very, very narrow escape. So from then I decided not to trade in RBL Bank at all. No trading, no investment. That was one reason. And after that also, if you see the chart, in March 20, it fell down again by 53%. So I don't understand any reason why should you be trading in this such stock or इन्वेस्टिंग इन सच स्टॉक. जब ये ऊपर आ जाएगा 605 पे, फॉर एग्जांपल 610 या इवन उससे भी ऊपर निकल जाएगा 800, then you buy this bank and then you be there for 2000 levels. There is no, you know, uh, problem in that. But right now, I don't see any reason you should be staying in RBL Bank. I might be wrong, but what the best you can do is you can put a stop loss in your trade. There is a very clear stop loss here of 190. इसके नीचे जाए तो आप इमीडिएटली निकल जाओ इस स्टॉक में से, आरबीएल बैंक में से. एंड यूर डज सेटअप लुक गुड. एंट्री प्राइस इज 215. आप स्टक हो इसमें तो आपको डेफिनेटली स्टॉप लॉस फॉलो करना है, और 215 में भी अगर जाए तो आप निकल जाओ प्लीज़. दे बहुत सारे बैंक्स है यार, पीएसयू बैंक्स है, प्राइवेट बैंक्स है, एनबीएफसीज है. फाइंड सम गुड बैंक विच कैन गिव यू मनी. डोंट लाइक द स्टॉक, डोंट लव द स्टॉक, लव द स्टॉक विच कैन गिव यू मनी. जो अप ट्रेंडिंग है, जिसके रिजल्ट्स अच्छे हैं, उसमें पैसा लगाओ और पैसा कमाओ. डोंट get into these kind of banks. Okay. Next, she has did we cover any query for she has earlier? I'm trying not to repeat. Yeah, she has, we haven't covered. She has will address your intense tech. Array, I remember this, you had emailed me, I think this one. Let us check. Intense technologies. Yeah, this is the daily chart. Daily chart looks very good. It is broken out from this level, major breakout. This is weekly chart, also a big breakout here, and a monthly chart. So monthly chart is not that great, but ठीक है, मतलब there is a small breakout here. Okay, let's check the financials of the company first. Your stop loss would be 52.5 she has, and you're holding at 58. Okay, so 55 पे you exit better. Yeah, strict exit on 55. अगर if the stock is strong, then it will not go to that level. Simple. Yeah, 55, or if you want, go to 50 max. That's it. 50 is not a bad deal for you. 58 and 50 is about 16% if you want to take a risk. Let me quickly check the finances. Intense. I've never heard about this name. She has Intense Technologies. Okay, when we check financials, a very important point we check that, you know, the company's market cap. She has a company, this company is having market cap of 131 crores. This is very small. A very important thing which everyone should follow, that when you invest in a small cap, also don't go for too small companies, because these companies charts fundamentals can easily be manipulated. And you must have heard about you know, operators, everyone. So ये operators जो होते हैं, they can manipulate small companies easily. For big companies they cannot manipulate, because the volumes are big, and the money required to manipulation for manipulation is also very you know, high capital would be required to manipulate such companies. So this company is very small cap, and last quarter was bad for this company shares. So I think you stay away from this company, put a strict stop loss of max 50, and you get out of it if it breaks, and find a good trade. Yeah. So let's go to next. Okay. Vamsi, Sarla Poly. Sorry, I have before that I have Suresh. Yes Bank. Oh, Sarji. Hmm, I've not seen the chart of Yes Bank since many years now. Uh, uh, Suresh, 16.3. Suresh, I don't know what to tell you actually. 13, you put a stop loss of 13 and try to get out of this bank. As I said, there are many quality banks, quality, PSU banks, private banks, NBFCs. Try to go there. Uh, as you know, Yes Bank, this is the monthly chart of Yes Bank. 400's company, you're trying to make money at 16, but still that stock trades at 13. So I don't need to really explain you the risks. Uh, you know so better to stay away. Don't be greedy for thinking that it's a penny stock, and you can, even if you buy say 1,000 stock and stock goes 1 rupee up, and you can make 13,000 rupees. Don't think like that. It doesn't happen. It doesn't work like that. 16 rupees stock has gone to 13 rupees, so 13 rupees stock can go to 10 rupees. uh, Companies like Suzlon, Arcom, there are many, Reliance Infra. So there is a long list. So don't go behind penny stocks only because their ticket size is less. Don't go for penny stocks, please. There are penny stocks which are quality stocks also, but find out those and go behind them. Ticket size doesn't matter. If you buy 1,000 stock of 13 rupees, and you buy a 13,000 ka one stock, is the same return what you will get if the stock performs it, because end of the day it's percentage, right? So there is a stock called as Tasty Bites. I will post in Swings maybe. It's 13,000 rupees one stock, and I have been trading it since long time. So every time, even Bharat Rasayan, 10,000 rupees, 12,000 rupees, it doesn't matter. The ticket size doesn't matter. Please stay away from Yes Bank. My honest opinion. I don't need to check the financials of the company also, Suresh. Uh, yeah, I hope this is fine. Vamsi Sarla Poly. The daily chart of Sarla Poly looks amazing. Weekly chart also looks great. Monthly chart is not so great, but let us see. Yeah, you see this value here, 40 around. So when you check a monthly chart, this will be helpful for everyone. When you see a monthly chart, look at the past performance here. In 2014 value here, the stock has performed very well. If you discount all this history here, now it's trying to break out this level is 48.2. So around 48 is your biggest resistance, uh, Vamsi, in Sarla Poly. So 53 is your entry price. Okay, you bought it. Okay, would it be better to hold exit as the capital is blocked? But in recent past, I see that the stock is slowly recovering. Yeah, correct. I would suggest you hold as per technicals. Once it crosses 48, you're very safe. Your risk is only this resistance of 48. Uh, I will check again when is it going to cross, and I'll give you a stop loss, and then I'll check the financials to confirm everything. So your stop loss should be somewhere, if you're looking for like, low risk trade, you should exit at 36.5, 36.4. You can note it down. And if you can really hold for some time, look for 31.5. these two support levels are important, and once it crosses 48 around, I'm in this zone here, 44, 52. So once it crosses say 44, very good chances it will cross 48 also. So remember this 44 level, and 53 is around your buying price. So right now I would suggest you to hold. Let me check the financials quickly. Can someone confirm if I'm audible and all, because no one is commenting? Sarla Poly. Okay, Sarla Performance. Last quarter was not great. This quarter is 21st of May. Today was the today was the result of this, huh? Sarla Poly. And looking at the chart, people are hopeful that it will deliver good results. So I think you consider this stop loss 31.5, 31.5, because there might be some volatility, and short term में शायद नीचे आ सकता है. But 31.5 is your stop loss, which is below your buying price. But this is your best shot, Vamsi. Yeah, I hope that is helpful. Okay, clear voice, audible. Thank you so much. Uh, let's go to next talk. Venkat. Venkat Mangalam. Venkat is doing a thorough research before putting his money. So let's see what is he up to. Daily chart looks okay. Weekly is also not very great. Monthly is no, Venkat. This stock is in long consolidation. When you, in general, when you're checking charts, check the monthly chart, uh, just to give an overview. So if you see this stock, any stock, this high range, like here 220 is the top range it made in say like last 5 years, right? So 216, and bottom it made 26, right? So in last 5 years, it has not broken out this range. It has been consolidating in this range, 20 to 200. So you should stay away from such stock, because 5 years it has not performed unless you are in game for like long term, say 5 years plus. You should not be staying in this stock. Okay, you are saying fresh entry, short to medium. I think you on fundamentals, which we'll check quickly. So earnings are on 21st May, which is today, and there was some moment here. So this shows confusion here, right? There was a huge gap down, and this needs to settle down. So even if you get into this stock, put a strict stop loss of 132. Say 132 would be enough. Yeah, 130 max. So you buy at 136, stop loss 130 if you still want to go for this trade. And I'll check financials of Mangalam. Mangalam is only Mangalam. Mangalam. Okay, Mangalam refinery, chemical, cement, organics, drugs. I think this is Mangalam drugs and organics. Okay, Venkat, bad quarter, very bad quarter. Don't even think about this company for till next quarter at least. Or on the chart, when it crosses, say 170, or better even 200. So don't even think about this company. till now, till then. Okay, I hope that helps. It's very clear. You should not think about this company. Okay, Nadir Majid. Mafang, MAFANG, fresh, medium to long term. Okay. Mafang. Mirai. Oh, okay. This is it a mutual fund? It's an AMC. Mirai AMC. Oh, I was not sure about this. Mm, monthly chart doesn't look good. Okay, there is some issue with I'm not able to see the daily chart. Is it listed recently? Yeah, it's only 1 month. So 4 days. Why do you want to buy this? 14th of May it was listed. No, I'm not sure, Nadir. This is an AMC company, Mirai, and just listed 5 days back. So it's very difficult to tell anything about this technically, and fundamentally also will not have results and all in my system. So I won't be able to comment on this unless you have a strong reason why this company is good, and some fundamentals and all. I think based on that you can decide. I'll not say don't enter or do enter. Yeah, sorry for this. Best entry point for SIP. Please do mention the following. I think I'll not be able to comment on this, Nadir. Sorry. Bujji Excel Industries. Okay. The daily chart looks excellent. Weekly also looks excellent. Monthly also looks excellent. It's Excel Industries is, I think it's Rakesh Jhunjhunwala's investment was there earlier or currently. I am not sure, but we will go with our analysis on this, not if they are buying or not. Okay, the last quarter was good, Buji. Earnings is on was on 3rd of May. Was on 3rd of May. Okay. So maybe my system isn't updated. Oh, sorry. I'm looking at the monthly. Okay, daily. It's on 28th May, Buji. So keep an eye on the earnings. Mostly looking at the chart, it looks very safe and probably it will deliver a good quarter as well. But anything goes wrong, you should be out around at around 1000 or 950 zone. You can select either of these 2 points, 1000 or 950. You should be out. If you want to go even more conservative, go for 1050 itself. Okay, 1132 is CMP and 1050 is about maybe around 11% or so. Yeah, 10% or so. So you should be out there in case this trade goes wrong. Existing is 1040, so almost similar price. I would say observe earnings. Chart looks very good, and you can hold it for higher targets. You can ask me later the targets. Don't worry about the targets. Targets can be very high. Yeah, easily up to 1500 you can go easily in this swing itself. Okay. Okay, great. So next is Subir, Leo, and Ibrahim. I think we already covered your call, so I will go skip to Mr. Chandresh Bandari. Stock is Bamal Lorry. Do we have Mr. Chandresh on call in the streaming? I can see, yeah. Okay, stock Bamal Lorry. Let's check this one. I'll take single stocks first. I think 1 hour is gone, so maybe you guys are also tired. Uh, okay, the daily chart is not bad, not great. Weekly is a little bullish, and monthly. Okay, monthly also. Uh, it's trying to recover. I can, without seeing the financials, I can see that the company is trying to make a turnaround here. The shape you see here, V shape, it's trying to recover, like to go towards 200, and probably it has been posting good earnings also, which we will check right now. So your stop loss is around 120. Your query is that stock at 141. So I assume you have bought at 141. Should hold or exit. Okay. First of all, your stop loss. This is your stop loss, sir. 120 around is your stop loss. I will tell you how was the financials and then we can decide. Last quarter was bad for the company. Sorry. And the next earnings is on 1st of June. So you should look for this earnings, how it, the company posts results. You can ask us again when the earnings are posted. We can review and tell you. But till then, this should be your stop loss, which I gave you earlier is 130. This should be your stop loss if you are holding. And I would not suggest you to hold this stock because we are not sure. But if you want to take a risk, you can hold till 1st of June, see the quarter and follow stop loss. This is the best you can do, right? Because if the company posts good results, it might recover because on monthly chart I can see a consistent recovery since last मार्च मार्च 2020 से लेकर के मई तक सो ऑलमोस्ट 1 ईयर में काफी रिकवर हो गया है इट्स लाइक अ कंसिस्टेंट रिकवरी आई कैन सी सो इट्स वर्थ चेकिंग द रिजल्ट्स एंड देन गेटिंग आउट ऑफ द स्टॉक या I'll skip to next Dilip Kumar. Sorry, IOC. I'm using two systems. This is the monthly chart of IOC. You see the line here, the top of previous performance here. This is the top it made. Now, unless it crosses this top here, like 113 precisely, it won't go anywhere. I mean, it won't be bullish. So that is your point. That is your highest resistance, दिलीप जी. 133 जो है आपका सॉरी 113 जो है आपका हाईएस्ट रेजिस्टेंस है यहाँ पर आपको मतलब कंपनी को बहुत जोर लगाना पड़ेगा इस पॉइंट को निकालने के लिए यू आर होल्डिंग फ्रॉम 740 सॉरी 88 ओके आपने स्विंग में लिया था तो 88 में weekly looks very good. Okay, Dilip ji, your stop loss is 100 where you should exit and looking at the charts here I can tell you that this is going to attempt this resistance and probably break also. So I would suggest you hold this stock with the stop loss of 100, and targets can be very high. If it breaks 113 resistance, it will go very high. I mean 30-40% यहाँ से आप आराम से पकड़ के चलो. तो you can let us know if you want a precise target, लेकिन 30-40% की upside I can easily see. Let us check the quarters, how it delivered. Yeah, the quarter was excellent, Dilip ji. So I think your stop loss will not trigger. 100 का stop loss लगा के रखिए आप and hold it till at least 134 135 तक. तो 35% आपको मिल सकता है स्टॉक में in next say 4 to 6 months around approximately. But it's good to hold. Okay, great. So now next is Prashant BSE and Rajesh ji SOTL. I'll take Rajesh ji's SOTL, Savita Oil Technologies. Okay. The daily chart looks good, Rajesh ji. 1095 is your stop loss. 1095 around. Your query is that fresh position. Okay, 1 month or holding and okay. So you can, okay, let's check first. The weekly looks very good. Monthly also looks very good. See this point here, it's trading above the previous highest performances. So 845 was the point and it is trading above this, and slowly it will make a recovery towards 16-1700. So very good chances if it posts good quarter like the next 2 quarters, it can go to 1700 levels easily from 1100. So you have a pretty good upside here, which we have to look for, which is your reward basically. And your risk is somewhere here. 973 is the worst, but I'll tell you from the daily charts, the best stop loss for you is 1062. So 1060 पकड़ लीजिए and CMP is 1136. So your risk is only 7%. Okay, and the reward is too high. So this is our typical swing. This is what we do in swings also. So this makes a very good swing and let me check the financials. I'm sure the financials will also be good because charts are screaming that the company is good. Yeah. So last quarter was good and the next earnings is on 2nd of June. So आपके लिए best ये है कि लो stock Monday को, and you can follow a stop loss. Initially you can follow a stop loss of 1000 and then you can keep trailing that. मतलब इसके ऊपर निकल जाए 1200 के तो you can trail that stop loss to 1150 or something and hold it till 1600 1700 levels. I think it's a very good company, very good stock, Rajesh ji. So we have, okay, I think I have covered single query from everyone. Is anyone left so far can message me quickly, and meanwhile I'll check here. Okay, you can message me if you want to continue, or should I stop here also? I don't want you guys to just stay with me just because I'm analyzing. Chandresh, thank you. Great. Leo, I have posted 2 queries. Please take my second query about AB Capital. Okay. Let's go and check AB Capital. I will come back to you, Leo. AB Capital daily chart is not great. Weekly is also trying to make some movement here. Okay, Leo, I will check Leo. After this, I'll check him immediately. Yeah. Ibrahim, I think just 2 or 3 queries are there maximum. Monthly chart doesn't look that great, Chandresh. I will check the earnings. Ah, correct. So 21st May it posted the earnings, and from the chart you see just before 1 or 2 days the stock started going down. That means there is some negativity in the stock, and if you are, let me check what is your AB cap at 120. So 120 at 120 you are holding. Oh, so this is your stop loss actually, Chandresh ji. If you want, you can put a stop loss of 112, 112.9. So better 13 का लगा लो आप. So 113 is your stop loss. And looking at the chart, I think the result was not good. Let me check if we have it available in our systems. Yeah, the result was good actually, Chandresh ji. It posted good earnings. It is slightly contradicting on the charts, but we go with the fundamentals in this case. Uh, because if your stop loss is not broken, eventually the stock will catch up, the chart will catch up. So आप क्या करो कि 110 का 113 का आप stop loss लगा दो. Slightly below also you can go till 112. आप please you can note this down. 112 is your stop loss, and I'm sure the result is good, so stock will not test that levels, even it will not go beyond below 120. So very good chances it will recover fast and it will cross 140, which is the immediate resistance. मतलब 140 क्रॉस हो जाएगा ना, तो आप इसको होल्ड करके रखना 156 या 183, whatever suits your appetite and holding capacity everything. अगर आप स्विंग कर रहे हो तो 140 में भी निकल सकते हो या 156 तक भी आप उसको ट्रेल कर सकते हो. बट आई थिंक यू शुड स्टे इन दिस ट्रेड and let me know how it goes. I'll be curious to know. Now coming to Leo, KPR mill. Acha, from the existing list, if I have missed out anything, you can remind me on this chat here. I will immediately take after this. If not, we can wrap up. No new queries, Suresh. We can post in the group and cover it next time. Uh, Daily chart isn't. Okay, let's check weekly and monthly. Oh, yeah, this is why. Okay, let me check your question. Okay, I'm holding 31 units of this average over 6 months. It's over 76. Wow, excellent. Current price is 14.60. It is been okay. Should I book profit here, or is there any upside to hold it for medium or short term? Okay, perfect. So nice. You're making good profits on this because the charts are a little scary to get into a new trade. But I can tell you if you can hold this or not. That should be easy. Okay, your stop loss first of all is 1230, Leo, KPR mill. 1230, the stock goes below 1230, you should exit. That is number one. Now, number two, I will check the earnings. The earnings are posted on 27th April and the next earnings are on 22nd of August, 28th of April. So already posted earnings. Let me check. Okay, I will check the messages in the chat after this. KPR Mill, the earnings are excellent, Leo. So I think you go with this stop loss, 1230, note it down. You can trail with this. Basically, you book profit if it goes down below this. But I think the stock will keep performing. There is only one problem. It has run up quite a lot. There is a big run up here. You can see here. So every month you see from August, there are all green bars here. So not even single month it is red. So there might be people like you who have invested, somewhere here in 800, 900, 1100 range. So they would like to book profit, or probably they might have booked also at 1600. So best thing to do is for you is to follow the stop loss of 1230 you see here, 1240 or 1230 to be precise, and keep holding. The targets can be, the first one will be 1800. 1800 you can book some profits, like 50% profit or so. If it happens in this quarter, like next quarter, then we'll see again the earnings, and again you can trail to the next targets. But right now I think you should hold it, is what I would suggest. Okay, so I'm just reading the chat messages now. Suresh, is it possible to take Trident? It was my second stock in the post. Okay, I will check now. Please message if there is any existing request pending. Yeah. Trident was in our swings, Suresh, and I had messaged also that you should book profit here in Trident. Okay, see, this is the monthly chart of Trident. It broke out here in on at the level of 11. Even I had traded in this stock and on the similar levels, and we had a swing also, I believe, in Trident, uh, which might be still open. But if you see here, it is trading below this level of 16.75 currently. So this is a slightly red sign for me, and your stop loss should be 15.35 if you are in a swing. Let me check your query. I can't find, sorry. Maybe I might have missed your request, Suresh. So I'm not sure what is your query exactly, but your stop loss should be around, uh, make it 15.5. That's it. So max 15.5, you can hold the stock. Let me check the fundamentals. Uh, okay, the quarter was not good. I think that is why I had asked people to book profit and exit. So this quarter was not good, Suresh. So you need to be very careful if you are holding this stock. 15.5 is your stop loss. 15 point, yeah, 15.45 or 15.4 around. You should get out of this stock. Yeah, if you're holding. If you're thinking about fresh entries, don't do that for sure. Yeah. Okay. So EID Parry, is this the last one? We can finish this. Not see, Suresh, you seen the chart of Trident. It is already overvalued in my eyes. If you had bought it at say 11, if you had asked me this question when the stock was at 11, I would have suggested you that you hold it, you buy it for 24 around. But right now, buying at 16, the risk reward is not good even for long term, because if the stock goes down here, it starts posting, already it has it has posted a negative result this time. So when it starts falling, it can go up to any level, 8, 6, 4, we don't know. It depends on the company's performance quarter on quarter. So that's the reason I'm not suggesting you to go for a long-term stock. You find out another stock better. Yeah. Let's go to EID Parry. Okay, this is a monthly chart. Monthly chart looks good, Subir. It has broken out. Weekly chart, no doubt. There was a big breakout here. So we need to check risk reward ratio here. And on daily chart, also we need to check the risk reward. So let us see what is your query. Existing holding at 433. Oh, you bought slightly higher. So for this, when is the earning? 21st. So today was the result. So we need to check the earnings, Subir. It will not be updated in my system yet. 21st of May. Yeah, correct. I will post it in the group if you don't mind, Subir. The chart looks good, uh, but I need to confirm. Yeah, the chart is very good. Very good chart. I'll give you a stop loss here. The stop loss should be this around, say, 395. You can note it down, or 392. Yeah, so 390 you can say. So 390 is your stop loss. If it goes below this, you can you know get out of this trade, and I'll check the earnings and I'll post it in the group if it is okay. Yeah. Okay. So let us make this last IRFC. I know I think I missed it out. So then we can call it a day. IRFC, Indian Railway Financial Corporation. Okay, this is monthly chart. So recently listed, maybe Jan 21 IRFC. Was it an IPO? Okay, daily chart is not good. Weekly isn't good. Monthly isn't good. What is your query? X IPO allotment entry price 26. 26. Oh, you are stuck at the top. Can hold long if worthwhile. Expert views. No? Okay, let me quickly check if I have any financials about IRFC. It's a bit difficult because it's recently listed. Um, okay, the quarter was okay, but I think because of the lockdown and stuff, I don't know. We are not doing any qualitative fundamental analysis. We are doing mostly quantitative fundamental analysis. So probably I'm not the right person to comment on this stock fundamentally. But the chart wise, there is no pattern or there is nothing in general I can tell you. I can give you a stop loss uh, below which you can exit even now. So that would be around 22.7. So consider 22 around, max 22.5 around. So here you should get out of this stock and you can re-enter when it comes to your price 26, because when it crosses 26, good chances that it will recover more. Normally that happens. It is like a recovery which will take place. Maybe it will take 3 months, 6 months time. But I don't see any pattern here which says that okay, the stock is going to go to 26 in next say 1 month or 2 months or 3 months. There is nothing can be said from this chart. Uh, maybe it's not very helpful for you, but that's the fact. Yeah. Okay. So are we good? Chitra, I currently make money organization. How long will it? This I need to check, Chitra. Uh, basically it's getting demerged. So there will be some time the stock, we had discussed this in group, and probably I had asked people to exit also here. Maybe you are not in the chat group, but I will check and I will let you know. But you can rest assured that nothing will happen to your investment. It is safe. Basically, when the demerger happens, you'll get a stock, additional quantity of the demerged entity also in your account along with the main holding, like Make Money's holding. So you'll get bonus stocks. Uh, so this is the best I can tell you right now. Fine, guys. Thank you so much and pleasure. Thank you for your patience. I can see 15 people. Let's hope uh, it went well for everyone. It was helpful and I enjoyed learning new stocks and companies. Really fun for me. Yeah. So look forward for more sessions. We'll log off now and we'll be in touch in chat group. Yeah. Have a great night. Good night. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.